The Realme GT 8 Pro 2025 is a next-generation flagship packed with power, design, and innovation, offering premium performance at a surprisingly competitive price. It features a sleek glass front, aluminum frame, and options for eco-leather or fiberglass back. The phone is sturdy at 214 grams and protected with IP68 and IP69 ratings. Realme even added a customizable camera cover design, giving users a unique personal look. The 6.79-inch 2K AMOLED display runs at 144 Hz for ultra-smooth visuals and reaches up to 7000 nits brightness, ideal for gaming or outdoor use. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the phone includes up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. A dedicated R1 graphics chip boosts gaming and performance efficiency for longer sessions without overheating. The triple camera setup includes a 50MP main, 50MP ultra-wide, and a massive 200MP telephoto lens with optical zoom. The Ricoh partnership enhances colors and image detail, while the 32MP front camera delivers crisp selfies. A huge 7000 mAh battery powers the device, with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging, giving a full charge in just minutes. Running Android 16 with Realme UI 7, the system is smoother, faster, and more AI-driven than before, offering better optimization and privacy. Launched in China in October 2025, the global release is expected on November 20th. Prices start around 3,999 Chinese yuan, is almost equal to $550, with the high-end Aston Martin F1 edition at about 5,499 Chinese yuan. "2K 144 Hz AMOLED display. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. 200MP telephoto camera with Ricoh tuning. 7000 mAh plus 120W fast charge. IP68, IP69 rating and customizable design." The Realme GT 8 Pro 2025 sets a new bar for flagship performance and value. Could this be the most powerful and affordable premium phone of the year? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy discovering the latest smartphones, gadgets, and tech innovations, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.